Hello students, let us solve examples of exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Write all the factors of the following numbers: A 24, B 15, C 21, D 27, E 12, F 20, G 18, H 23, I 36. First of all students, what is factors? Factor means a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. It should be our exact divisor. Students, we should also remember some important points. Like 1 is a factor of every number and every number is also a factor of itself. Means what? If we take this 24, then 1 is a factor of 24 and as well as 24 is a factor of itself. So these some points we should always remember while doing the factors. So let us find the answers of these questions. Solution A. For 24, if we find the factors, then 24 equals to 1 multiplied by 24, that is 1 24s are 24, then 24 to 12s are 24, then 24 equals to 3 8s are 24. Then here in which table still the 24 will come? 4 6 are 24. So here we will get 1 24s are 2 12s are 3 8s are 4 6 are 24. Therefore students, the factors of 24 are, what are the factors of 24? 1 2 3 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 itself. So these are the factors of 24. Now let us find question number B answer. That is, which factors we have to find? We have to find for 15. So 15 equals to 1 multiplied by 15s are, then in which table 15 will come? 3 5s are 15 and even 5 3s are 15. And is there any table where the 15 will come? Is there any still table where 15 will come? No, 15 ones is 15. So therefore, the factors of 15 are, what are the factors of 15? We get 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. So these are the factors for 15. Students, here we have to take care that, see, 1 15s are 15 as well as 15 1s are 15. So these two are factors. 3 5s are 15 as well as 5 3s are 15. So these two are factors. So we also know that the commutative properties which we have done in the chapter number 2. That if we interchange the numbers, we will get the same answer for the multiplication. So we will write 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now for number C. 21. We have to find factors for 21. First of all, 1 multiplied by 21. That is 1 21s and 21 ones are. Then in which table 21 will come? In 2 table it will come? No. Why? Because here even number is not there. Then in 3 table, 3 7s are 21, 7 3s are 21. Then is there any table where 21 will come? No. In 9 table 21 will come? No. So here the factors of 21 are, therefore the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21 itself. So these are the factors of 21. Now we will find number D, that is 27. So 27 equals to 1 multiplied by 27. That is the one factor. Now 27 2 in 2 table 27 will come? No. Why no? Because last digit is not an even number. So in 2 table 21 will not come. Now so in 2 table 27 will not come. Now in 3 table 3 9s are 27. So here we will do 3 9s are 27 and 9 3s are also 27. Now in 4 table also it will not come because it doesn't follow the divisibility rule of 4. That is 27, both the numbers are not divisible by 4. In 5 table also it will not come. In 6 table also it will not come. So what are the factors of 27? Therefore, the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27 itself. So what are the factors of 27? 1, 3, 9 and 27 itself. So these are the factors of 27. Now let us find factors of 12. First of all, 12 ones are 12 and 1 12s are 12. Now into table 12 will come. Yes, 2 6s are 12 and 6 2s are 12 because last digit is 2. Now in 3 table 12 will come. Yes, how we came to know that 1 plus 2 is 3, which is divisible by 3. So this is divisibility rule of the 3. So here 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. Now in 5 table 12 will come. No. Why no? Because last digit is not 0 or 5. So 12 will not come. In 6 table we know it will come. 6 2s are 12. In 7 table it will come. No. In 8 table also 12 will not come. So what are the factors of the 12? Therefore, the factors of 12 are, what is the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Now let us find for f, that is 20, factors of 20. Let us find factors of 20. First of all, 1 multiplied by 20 and 21 is factors of 20. Then in 2 table it will come. Yes, last digit is 0, so it will come. 2 10s are 20 and 10 2s are 20. Then in 3 table 20 will come. No. Why no? Because if we do 2 plus 0 is 2, which is not in 3 table, so it will not come. Yeah, 20 will not come in 3 table. In 4 table it will come. Both the digits should be divisible by 4. We know that 4 5s is 20. So 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20. So 20 will come in 4 table and 5 table both. Now in 6 table 20 will come. No. Why no? Because the divisibility of 6, it says that the 20 is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So what is the rule of divisibility of 6? That it should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Hence 20 is not divisible by 6. So 20 is not there in 6 table. Even it is not there in 7 table, 8 table and 9 table. So 20 is there in 10 table. Yes, 10 2s are 20. So let us write factors of 20. Therefore, the factors of 20 are, so what are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So these are the factors of 20. Now let us find the answer for question number G, that is factors of 18. 18, 1 multiplied by 18 and 18 ones are 18. Now 18 will come in 2 table. Yes, last digit is even number. 2 9s are and 9 2s are 18. Now 18 will come in 3 table. Yes, how we came to know that 18 is there in 3 table? If we do 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1 equals to 9, which is divisible by 3. So it follows divisibility rules of 3. So in which table it is there? 3 6 are 18 and 6 3s are 18. So 18 is there in 3 table. So 18 is divisible by 4? No, because 4 5s are 20. So 18 is not divisible by 4. 18 is divisible by 5? No, because last digit is not 5 or 0. So 18 is not divisible by 5. Now students, 18 is divisible by 6. 18 is divisible by 6? Yes, 6 3s are 18, 3 6 are 18. So 18 is divisible by 6. And even 18 is not divisible by 7, 8 and 9. It will not follow divisibility rule of 7, 8 and 9. So let us write factors of 18. 18 is not divisible by 7 and 8. 18 is divisible by 9? Yes, 18 is divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. 18 is divisible by 10? No. Why no? Because last digit is not 0. So 18 is not divisible by 10. So let us write factors of 18. Therefore, the factors of 18 are. So what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6 and 18 itself. Now let us write answer for the other question, that is 23. Now 23 if we take, then first of all the factors of 23 is 1 multiplied by 23. So for 23 is divisible by 2 or not? No. Why no? Because last digit is not even number, so it is not divisible by 2, 4 and 8. So this 23 is not divisible by 2, 4 and 8. Now let us see that 23 is divisible by 3 and 9. What is the divisibility rule of 3 and 9? That the sum if we do, then it should be divisible by 3 as well as 9. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So it will not come in 3 and 9. So 23 is not divisible by 3 as well as not divisible by 9. Now 23 is divisible by 6. No. 23 is not divisible by 6 because 23 is not divisible by 2 and 3. So it will not divisible by 6. And 23 is not divisible by 7. 23 is not divisible by 8 because last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So your 23 itself is not divisible by 8. So it is not divisible by 8. Now 23 will come in a 10 table and 5 table? No. Why no? Because last digit is 3. It is not 0 or 5. So if it is 0 or 5, then it can come in 5 table, and if it is 0, then it can come in 10 table. Both is not following the rules. So 23 is not divisible by 10 and 5. So 23 is divisible by 1 and 23 itself. Therefore, the factors of 23 are 1 and 23. These are the factors of 23. Now, let us solve I number, that is 36. So, 36 first of all factor is 1 multiplied by 36. Then 36 is divisible by 2. Yes, how we came to know? Because last digit is even number. So, 2 18s is 36. Then 36 is divisible by 3. 3 plus 6 is 9, which will come in 3 table. So, 36 entire is divisible by 3. So here if we do 3 12s are 36 and 12 3s are 36. So 36 is divisible by 3. Now 36 is divisible by 4. Yes, 36 will come in 4 table or not? We have to find that. So 4 9s are 36 and 9 4s are 36. Now 36 will divisible by 5. No. Why no? Because last digit is 6, which is not 5 or 0. And 36 will not divisible by 10 also because last digit is 0, which is not divisible by 10. So 36 is not divisible by 5 and 10. And even 36 is divisible by 8 or not? No, 8 it is not divisible. Now 36 is divisible by 6. Yes, 6 are 36. How we came to know? Because here 3 plus 6 is 9, which is divisible by 3. And last digit is 2, so which is divisible by 2 also. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the entire number is divisible by 6. So here 36 is divisible by 6. So what are the factors we get for the 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then here also we are getting as 9, 12, 18 and 36 itself. So these are the factors of 36. So let us write answer. Therefore, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the factors of 36. Students, you kindly see the introductions video in which the divisibility rules are given. Question number 2. Write 5 multiples of A 5, B 8 and C 9. So here we have to write multiples. Multiples means what? A multiple of a number is greater than or equal to of that number. For example, if we consider 5, we have to write 5 multiples. So how we will write? 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. This way we will take till 5, 5 5s are 25. So this way we are finding the multiple. So let us write answer for A. First of all, we will find for 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are 25. Why we have taken till 5 5s are? Because in question it is asked write first 5. So we have taken first 5 multiples. Therefore, the multiples of 5 are. What are the multiples of 5 we get? 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So these are the multiples of 5. Now let us find for 8. We find for 8, then 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So still 5 we have taken. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So therefore the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. So here also we have taken 5 multiples. Now number C, for 9 we have to find. 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36 and 9 5s are 45. So we have find 5 multiples for 9. So let us write, therefore the multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Now let us find answer for question 3. Question number 3. Match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. So column 1 35 is given. Let us match from the column 2. So what would be the answer for the column 2? 35 is what? Multiple of 8? No. It is multiple of 7. 7 5s are 35. So what is the answer for column 1? B is the answer for column 1. Now for column 2, 15. 15, which rules it follows? That we have to see. So here multiple of 8 is there 15? No. Multiple of 70 is there 15? No. 15 is a factor of 30, that is 15 twos. So what is the answer for 2? D. Now students, if we find for 16, which rule it follows? Multiple of 8? Yes, 8 twos are 16. So for 3 it is A. Now 20 if we do, then 20 it is multiple of 7? No. It is multiple of 70? No. It is it is factor of 50? No. It is factor of 20? Yes. How it is factor of 20? Because 20 one side is 20. So for 4 it is F. Now students, for 25. 25, is it a multiple of 70 or factor of 50? It is a factor of 50. How factor of 50? 25 twos is 50. So for 5, answer is E. Now let us write all these answers and one solution. So students, solution. So what was the for 1? B. Then for 2, D. For 3, A. For 4, F, and for 5, E. So these are the solutions for match the following. Let us solve question number 4. Question number 4. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Students, now in this question it is asked all the multiples of 9 till 100 we get the answer. Earlier question it was that we have to find only 5 multiples. But here we will find all the multiples of 9 till 100 we are getting answer or not. So let us write solution. Let us start finding from 1. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. Still we'll find. Why? Because still we need till 100. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. Still we will find because we need till 100. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Now we'll move ahead. Yes, till 90 is less than 100. So do we get 9 11s are more than 100 or less than 100? Less than 100. That is 9 11s are 99. Now we will not find 9 12s are. Why? Because here till 900 it is asked and till 99 we have find. Now we will not get more than, we will get answer more than 100 in 9 12s are. So here we will stop. So what are the multiples of, find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So let us write all these multiples answers of 9 up to 100. So the multiples of 9 up to 100 are. So what are the multiples we get? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. So these all are the multiples of 9 up to 100. Thank you.